Alright, today guys, we are putting a colder intake on a Hyundai Genesis Coupe. This is a 3.8 BK2. This is the intake that we're putting in today. So basically it will sit right here. So right now what we have to do, we got to take the air box off. Need to take a bit off. You start off with this, and then you should be taking the sensor off, and then after that you take off these hoses, and then there's a bolt right there, a bolt right here, and there's one. Is there two bolts holding this now?
Three.
Where's it? And then the third one is hidden somewhere. I think it's somewhere there. We'll figure it out. There's also one bolt holding the sensor in, which you will be putting right here, so the sensor will sit right back in there. That should just come out. It was just two bolts, so one bolt there and one bolt there. So right here, so there's a bolt right there.
You gotta remove.
So you gotta remove that bolt down there, which should be a 10 mil, and this one should also be a 10 mil. You gotta take those two off. Alright, so now we're going to be putting the colder intake in. So the first thing you guys want to do is put in the strip, because you don't want to forget about it. So what you can do right here, we cut a little bit off, makes it a lot easier for it to go on. So now under there where the ground is, there's a little bolt that is given a little packet, so you're going to slip that ground into this hole right there. Once you got that bolt in, you're gonna want to put in this bolt right here that we took out earlier, right there. And then there's also one bolt that sits there, is what we're gonna put in. Now that we got that bolt, that'll tighten, and then there's one bolt up there that we're gonna get. Good. Now we can start putting everything on.
We already went ahead and put the coupler in, but it's super easy. 1, strap it down. 2,
it's a lot easier putting this in first and then putting the pipe in.
And then the mass airflow and the air temperature sensor comes off the old housing right here.
Right there.
And goes on right here. Okay, now that that's in, adjust this back where it needs to sit. Secure this pipe on, and this one. On. Grab your pliers. Feed this here. So now, for the sensor, they provide a grommet. You slide this over, feed this through here, put the grommet in place. And then back here, or up here, you can kind of see they made a little clip. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Because when you're taking it out, the old one, they made a clip, so it just clips back in.
Right. And this clips right. Make sure you hear the clip, the snap. Now it's in place. Tight, tight, tight. Everything's tight now. So this will just sit in here like so. No clamps needed. Put this in here, and then there's a hole right here. I don't know if you guys can see it.
No, I see it. As it goes black.
I know. Oh, you need some light. Come on this side. So right here goes in, and then
That should just slide over.
slide over. Just find the right position, and that's pretty much it. It's tight in there as long as you put these back. That's tight, that's tight, everything is tight. We won't know until we hit it on the road to see how it sounds. As you can see, no check engine light.
Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. Installing a cold air intake on a 3.8 Hyundai Genesis Coupe PK2 engine. Hope everything helped out. Stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Now that we're done this one, we will be starting this one right here. We're going to be changing the turbo on this, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.